Now we'll learn how to alter the structure of an existing table by adding and deleting columns, before going on to see how to select and delete those records in a table which match a particular search pattern that we set, before finally emptying a table of its data completely. On the MariaDB command line, first make sure that you're using the widget sales database, and then select all the data in the widgets table. We've only got 2 columns, widget ID and name, and 4 records, which isn't very exciting. We add new columns to an existing table with the command alter table, table name, add column name, data type, size in parentheses. Let's see this in action by adding a column named color with data type variable character again. The length of 25 should be enough for any color name. So the command is alter table widgets, that's the table name, alter table widgets, add color varchar 25 in parentheses. And now if we describe the table, we should see that new column added. For revision, we'll write an insert command to insert more records into the widgets table. So we start out with insert into and the table name. And then in parentheses, a comma-separated list of the names of the columns in the table. There are 3 columns now, so we must list them all. Close the parentheses. Then values. Then a set of parentheses for each record we want to insert. And inside these parentheses, a comma-separated list of values. Last time I specified the values 1, 2, 3 and 4 for the widget ID, but there is no need to specify any values as the widget ID field is auto-incrementing, so each time a new record's added, a value 1 larger than the previous one will automatically be inserted. So we can leave the value for widget ID, the first one in the list, empty inside single quotes, and give the widget the name thing. And give it a color. End the parentheses. Put in a comma to end that record. And we'll add another record in the same way. Opening parentheses, empty quotes for the value of widget ID, single quotes containing a widget name of your choice, and single quotes round a color. Give it the color white. End the parentheses. A semicolon to end the statement, and press Enter. Select all the records again, and the 2 new records should appear with 5 and 6 automatically assigned as the values of their widget IDs. Insert another 4 records in the same way, choosing widget names and colors of your choice. So I'm inserting a gizmo, a green gizmo, a yellow thingy, a black thingamajig, and a white what's its name. Now select all the data in the table with select star from widgets. Now we'll see how to select records which match a pattern we specify. Let's find all the widgets named Gizmo. We do this with select star from table name, where column name equals, and then the pattern we're looking for. So in this case, select star from widgets, where name equals Gizmo. And we have 2 gizmos, so 2 records are returned. Select star from widgets, where color equals white, will also return 2 records if you entered the same color data as I did. Using the star or asterisk, select star from, returns all the columns in the table. We can specify which columns to return by naming them. Select Name, Color from Widgets, where name equals thingy will omit the widget ID column and display just the name and color of that record. We can delete selected records using similar syntax. As we'll be deleting whole records, we don't need to specify column names, just the table name. Delete from widgets where widget ID equals 1. We'll delete that matching record. And if we select all the data in the table again, we can see that widget ID number 1 has disappeared, it's been deleted. Let's delete all the white widgets in the table. You do it first this time. That's delete from widgets where color equals white. And we can see if we select all records again, that 2 records with IDs 6 and 10 have been deleted. We saw how to add columns with alter table, table name, add column name. Now we'll delete a column. We do this in a very similar way with alter table again, this time with drop column as the command to delete a column. Alter table widgets, drop column color. Describe the table again, and the color column should have been removed. Finally, for this lesson, we'll do the command to empty a table of all its data but leave the structure of the table unaltered. This is truncate table, table name. When you describe the table, the structure is still as it was. But if you select all records, no records will be returned, the table is empty. That's that for this lesson.